When you're looking at real estate in Cabo and you think of your typical vacation rental property, home in Cabo for sale, you don't think of properties that have 14 keys. Well, today we're gonna go see one of them. Come along for a ride.
What if, instead of buying one Airbnb in Cabo, you bought 14? Most vacation rentals here are a single condo. This is an entire income-producing tower in downtown Cabo San Lucas. $4.5 million, sleeps 40-plus guests, and it runs as its own hotel. This is Tower 605.
All right, we're coming through. There's a 9-car garage parking in Tower 605 in downtown Cabo San Lucas. Walkable to everything. So this is 101, 3 units on this level. See, there's 2 twin size beds. Terrace facing the main street into town. Got a kitchenette, stovetop, microwave, sink, refrigerator. Can sleep 4 people. And you have a sink separate from the toilet, which is good. People could be in the bathroom, in the shower, and you can still have access to the sink. A lot of natural light. Property is fully equipped with TVs, bedding. I'm gonna come into 102, right next door. Now the difference with this one is not the bathrooms with the toilet and shower separate from the sink, but that this is a king size bed. So for a couple, same kitchenette, same walkout terrace, private. So that's 2 of 3 units. Got an elevator servicing all the levels to the building. And we're in unit 103. Same toilet and bathroom with shower. Another 2 queen-sized bedrooms. Still front of the building facing the mountains in Cabo San Lucas. Now what I don't know is whether or not we're going to be able to access the other units. And in here, are we no access yet, but this is the laundry.
Laundry service and all the maintenance equipment.
Yep. So we're gonna do a little exercise this morning with Scott Purcell, walking up the steps. So level 2, 203, 202, 201, and 204. So there's 4 units on this level because we don't have the laundry. So that's a total of 7 units across the first 2 floors. Walking up the stairs to the 3rd floor, unit 303, 304, 301, and 302. Let me take a look over here so you can see this terrace. And looking onto the main street of Cabo San Lucas, the city, lights at night, mountains during the day. For reference purposes, there in the back is the Pedregal, condos down below and houses up on top. Multi-million-dollar properties right down the street. Remember, if you like these property tours, make sure to like and subscribe Drop a comment also if you are interested in viewing other type of properties like this or different. Fourth floor, we got 404, 402, and 401. Now, 403 doesn't exist because this is a 2-bedroom unit. So this is different. There's only one of these in the whole building. Go straight to the view. Let's go out to the terrace. So you see the bay of Cabo San Lucas and where the boats go in and out. See the Ferris wheel there on the marina. Full panoramic view. Cabo San Lucas. All right, long terrace joining one of the 2 bedrooms in this 2-bedroom apartment. Coming back, got a bigger kitchen with an island, high ceilings, fully equipped once again with the TV. You know, what's interesting is that the trends in the real estate market here in the Los Cabos real estate market is that people still want investment properties, and it's becoming more and more difficult to find investment properties with a good return on investment. And the reason being is there's so much inventory. There's so much inventory that has been built or converted into vacation rental properties. And not unlike the real estate market in areas like San Diego, in New York, throughout the United States, vacation rentals are becoming more and more restrictive within municipality due to it being more conflictive with permanent residents. And so therefore, we're finding that properties like Tower 605 are more attractive, where you can get 14 units, a spread of 4 persons per room to 2 persons to room, like what we saw down below in the first floor, and then a bigger unit like the one we just walked out of in unit 402. So another nice thing in the building is that on the very top floor is a shared rooftop for all the guests. Outdoor seating, lounging, bathroom, showers, great swimming pool, fantastic view, the best view in all of the property. Cabo looks good on you. 605 Tower, downtown Cabo. There's outdoor shower. There's the condo project of Montemar, where units go from 500,000 to 900,000. Multi-million-dollar homes in the Pedregal. This is the road that leads to Quivira, the golf course community, where a lot of hotel guests are, where the St. Regis is going to be opening its doors in the next year or so. There's the outdoor. There's the bathrooms. All right, that's Tower 605. If you like this tour and you'd like to see another one, check out this property tour. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We put out property tours like this every week. And if you want to see other properties, drop a comment down below. Be happy to include it in my weekly property tours. Stay tuned for the next property tour. Until then, bye for now.